So question 6 is another one of these starred questions, so the quality of our written communication being tested here. Steve wants to put a hedge along one side of his garden and he needs to buy 27 plants. Each plant costs £5.54 and he has £150 to spend. Does he have enough money? So I'm going to work out the total cost of the 27 plants. Now in order to do so, we're going to do some long multiplication. I need to do 27 times 5.54 and I'm going to use the lattice method. So I'm going to do 5, 5, 4 and then 2 and 7 here. I'm going to build up my grid like so. So we should have a nice box so that we can get all the numbers in there. And we're going to put a line down in between each number. And we're going to want a line across. The decimal point is here. And we're also going to want to split each box in half like so. So drawing a diagonal line straight through the box, cutting it in half. And then we're going to do our multiplications. So this is the lattice method. You can use any method of long multiplication you like. This is my favorite. So multiplying, we're going to do 4 times 2. We get 8. So 0 tens and 8 ones. 4 times 7 is 28. 2 tens, 8 ones. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 and 0. 5 times 3, or 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 2, 10. And 5 times 7, 35. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add up our strips, starting with this one here, which just is a total of 8. Now we're going to add everything in this strip here. 5 and 2 and 8 is going to give me a total of 15. So I put down the 5 and I carry 1 into the next strip. 1 and 3 is 4, 4 and 5 is 9, nothing to carry. 1 and 3 is 4, and then we have the 1 here. Now the decimal point is found by where the 2 decimal points might meet. Now you have to know that 27 actually has a decimal point. It's right here, 27.0 if you will. And what we do is we follow the decimals along the paths and see where they meet. So this one's going to come down, this one's going to come across like so. They meet here, so we're going to follow that line down, and the decimal point for our answer is going to have to go right there. So he actually spends, or he needs to spend, £149.58. Now, that means that he has £150. It's going to cost him £149.58. So we write the cost equals that. And we're going to say which is less than the 150 or £150 he has to spend. That means we can say therefore Steve has enough money. And that should be enough to get our communication mark. And we're done.